Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Labanos salad. First, gather your fresh ingredients for this refreshing dish. You will need 1 large Labanos radish, approximately 8 inches long. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A small pinch of black pepper will enhance the flavors. Ensure all items are ready before you begin the preparation. Now, let's prepare the star ingredient. Begin by thoroughly washing and peeling your Labanos radish. Next, carefully slice the radish into very thin, round pieces, aiming for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Uniform slices ensure even pickling. Place these thin slices into a clean bowl and sprinkle them with 1 teaspoon of salt. Let them sit for 15 minutes to draw out excess water. While the radish is resting, let's create the flavorful dressing. In a separate small bowl, combine 1/4 cup of white vinegar with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a small pinch of black pepper. Stir this mixture thoroughly until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. This sweet and tangy dressing will perfectly complement the crisp radish. After 15 minutes, drain the radish slices and gently squeeze out any excess water. This step is crucial for a crisp salad. Transfer the radish to a serving bowl, then pour the prepared dressing over it. Mix everything well to ensure each slice is coated. For the best flavor, chill the Labanos salad for at least 30 minutes before serving. And speaking of staying refreshed, check out the O'Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other great deals. Enjoy this simple, refreshing side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.